Hello everyone, welcome to the biggest ADTO job fair, which is taking part from 7th to 10th of September. So today we'll be addressing all your concerns which you're facing in terms of appearing or applying for the job fair. So what we have done is we have pressed here, which is ADTO job fair. You can go to Google and you can search ADTO job fair. ADTO is in Assam Downtown University. So when you go through here, you can see the first page which comes up is the about the job fair. So the complete details about what kind of jobs are here, how it will be beneficiary for you, who can apply for the job is being given here. Also, the event details are being given here. Our registration process have already started and even the jobs are live on your dashboard. So you can go directly and you can apply through here. 7th will be starting of sharing all the profiles with the company, and by 10th you would be getting your interview set of results. So how to apply for it? You can see on the topmost right hand side corner there is an option which is apply now. So just go click apply now. So once you go to this page, you can see there is an option of candidate registration. So in this page, please fill up your details. I'll be creating a dummy account today, which will show you on how we can go ahead of creating an account from our end. So I'll put the email ID over here. I'll also create a password from our end, and I'll agree to all the terms and conditions, and I'll register from my end. So once this is done, what we can do is just click on job fair and go to edit your profile, or also you can click on continue from here. So once you do this, you can see it will be asking you for all your details. So I'll put here as the gender. You can also fill up your date of birth. You can fill up your father's name, mobile number is already there. If you have an alternate number, you can put it up here. You can give your address out here. I'll just put a dummy account as of now. I'll put same as above if both the addresses are same. Then I'll do save and next. So once I do, you can select your language out here. This will give you more preference in applying for a job which is there. So here you can also select as read, write or speak. You can put up your LinkedIn profile, your Facebook, Google+, Pinterest and Behance. And then you can do a save and next. Next comes what is your education. I would request everyone to put up your education details here, starting from your 10th, your 12th, your graduation and your post-graduation. This will help in screening more of your profiles and will give you better chances while applying for a job. I will just make a dummy account as of now and also mention the date. I'll just put here as 2016 to 2020. So once this is done, I'll do add education. Now next, if you want to put up what you have done in your 10th, you can also mention this because this will give more preference. So I always would suggest you to please fill up your complete details so that there is no problem for you when you apply for a job. And again, save and next. So here, in case if you have any work experience, please mention that. You can always add multiple columns. If you are experienced with 2-3 different companies, you can add that. Or else if you do not, you can just leave this blank and go save and next. Next will be internship or project. So if you have done during your tenure, then you can please mention it out here. This will give you more chances when you apply for a job, and then save and next. Next comes a column of additional courses, wherein like if you have done any courses from Upgrade or say Coursera, so you can just mention it out here and do save and next. Next comes your job criteria. This field is really important for you because it will give you more chances while standing out for an interview. I would request everyone to select as employment and also put the job type as full-time out here. And job you can put anywhere. And minimum salary, just keep as 10,000 so that you get more job options. Willing to relocate, yes, because this time you have come up with multiple companies, you get more chances while applying for a job. Job industry, you can just mention what kind of jobs are you looking for. Key skills, if you have, you can mention that. And available to work from, if you're an immediate joiner, you can mention this. And if you're an experienced student, you can always check with your notice period and put up here. And then just do all the information above is true and save. So once you do, your profile is completed and you can continue. And here you can go back again to your dashboard. It will give you a profile completion percentage out here. So please make sure that this profile completion is 100%. Like, we have missed out on a few fields out there, but you can always give your full details, which will give you more jobs. Now, once it is done, to the corner side of your right, you'll see your matching jobs. What you can do is you can click on view all jobs. So when you do view all the jobs will come up irrespective of your field or not. So here I can see jobs which are related to my domain. I can apply for this job. Once you apply, you can see successfully applied. Plus, you can also see other jobs. You can move the cursor to your right or you can move it to your left. You'll see other companies also which are coming up. We have a total of 40 jobs which will be coming up. So on your dashboard, you'll be able to see multiple jobs which are there. And you can apply for the same. I wish this video will solve all your queries and will help you applying for the job fair. Thank you so much.